Yes, it has been 1 year since the victims of EJK have seen the ray of justice, the justice that they deserve. It is not the president who betrayed the Filipinos, but the perpetrators and co-perpetrators in the commission of the crimes against humanity who betrayed and continuously betray the Filipino people. Here, Kaufman goes again, politicking instead of defending his own client, pamumulitika. Is he preparing for the 2028 elections?